Hi, I'm John North. I'm here at ITF in Abuja with these fabulous chaps from Nigeria. These are all adult learners working towards level 1 diploma in bricklaying, the level 3 AET teaching training qualification, and Carver certificate in assessing vocational achievement. This is the first time I've had an opportunity to do some initial diagnostics and their first basic task. They've all done really well. It's been really impressive. The quality of the work is really good, and the work ethic is excellent. The qualification will give them a benchmark set of skills that they can then transfer exponentially across Nigeria. 20 guys will then start to train 1,000 guys, 1,000 guys then to start to train 10,000 guys. So the development will grow exponentially across the country. And at the end of the 8 weeks, based on what I've seen today, I have every confidence that they will meet the standards required to achieve the qualification and produce excellent quality work. So the qualification is the level 1 diploma in bricklaying. It's a really important qualification because candidates will work to a specific standard that's internationally recognised. This will impact Nigeria in a positive way because it sets a standard benchmark for the quality and standard of work. And also it enables the trainers that are going to go forward and train indigenous workers in Nigeria to know exactly where the start point is and how to assess the progress of their learners against those standards. So internationally recognised, a standardised set of standards and benchmarks, and a really good starting point for future growth and development.